Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to link your Google account with your eBay account. So first we're going to go to our eBay app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next we're going to click on My eBay. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Settings. Then you're going to click on Sign in and Security. Then you're going to click on the Google account section. Since it's unlinked, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to sign into our Google account. Then you're going to choose an account you want to link with. Then after that, you're going to scroll downwards and click on Continue. So as you can see, our Google account has been linked with our eBay account. So that's how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.